All right, so this will be the freebie for the day. This technique is more geared towards competition and not so much, the real world type issues that you might run into. But this will help you in competition to get your scores up there in order to, you might win from this. So this will be for stages that require you to fire strong hand and then transfer over to weak hand. This will save a little bit of time, a little bit of distance, and you're going to shave off some fat. So in the usual stance, the more practical stance is to have this hand anchored here. It keeps it from moving, from swaying, and if you're injured in some fashion, it'll help you not move it around and start having blood fly onto the walls and your friends. So, but this is for just practical purposes, pretty much. What I'm showing you today is for competition. All right, for this shooting, strong hand only, I'll have a lot of distance to cover with this hand. I'll have to go back to the gun in order to transfer over, right? So if I keep the hand out here, I will be able to switch it over just like that. That saved inches and distance. So starting from the holster, my feet are pointed towards the target. I draw, the hands go into motion. Don't overreach your left hand, because that's a bad thing to do. Put your muzzle pointed at your hand. Both hands work in unison. I reach up, shoot, transfer, shoot. So there's that much distance. My offhand had to come onto the gun and shoot. So that, therefore, saving those inches equal time, and this may help you look better on the scoreboard at the end of the day. For some of those sports that allow you to put the mag in your hand before you initiate the reload, in those instances, you can gain time by doing this. On the draw, go ahead and grab the mag, put it in position, do your firing, and that way it's right here when you do the transfer, and you've just saved that much time and that much space, and you don't have to go across the map to go ahead and do what you need to do. And that's how we won our freedom.